Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to turn a t-shirt into a ruched drawstring top. So this is actually a trending top right now, and then I had to have it, so I just had to take a tee that I like very much. I like the texture and then the design on it. So first of all, I'm just cutting out where I'll use for the drawstring, as in the rope that I'll use for the front. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm cutting it in two so that I can fold it in to form the drawstring. Next, you look for the middle part and cut it down. So this is where the drawstring is going to be coming from. So just fold it in two and then measure 1 inch from it, then sew it down. This is what you use to attach the drawstring. So this is going to look like. Then the next thing is just to put the rope in and then pin it down. Start from the very top because you're going to sew the very top, and then take it down. So just pin it down before you sew or knit work. I always say this so that you don't get overwhelmed by the process. So sew it down like this. So this is going to look like. This top is just so simple to make. It took me barely 2 minutes to finish. So this is going to look like. So all you need to do now is draw it in, and then voila. Remember to hit the subscribe button please down below before you leave, in case today is your first time. Please, I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and then share to your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video. Bye for now.